Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Villa Hills local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to relocate 100 miles or further, you might want additional services such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We offer plenty of options for your long-distance move. When you need to relocate to a new state or across the country, our team will help take the stress out of your move. With the help of a Kentucky moving company, you can make your local move simple. The right professional movers will do all the heavy lifting and hard work for you. This can save you a ton of time and energy. 3 Movers is ready to make your move simple. We streamline the entire process so you can get to your new location on time. Our team will complete your move in less than a day, often in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Villa Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.